Then we can copy from here. If we can type, so it will take time. So then there it is. Okay. So carousel previous, then type is button. So then this is the previous icon code. So the next one is the next icon. So after this button, so then now you can see. So just classes is the different. So for this one, previous one, carousel control icon previous. So then carousel control icon next icon. Okay. So then now you can see. Okay. So are you able to see this thing? So this is the previous one. This is the next one. Why it is? Okay. So data icon, BS icon slide, and previous example captions where we are giving here. Okay. If you can give the equal images, so then it will appear. So basically, so these next and previous icons will appear in the middle. So then we can use the same image. So then you can able to see the icons clearly. Then we can use the slide one WebP for all. Now you can able to see. Okay. So this is the second one. This is the third. Okay. So this way we are having. Clear. So at the same time, so we are having the normal buttons. Okay. So these are the buttons. So we will see. Here is the this one. So those are previous in so these are the items. Previous next indicators. Carousel indicators. This is our ID of this one. ID of our slider. So that's why I'm changing. So these are the buttons. So buttons, so same like previous and next, but these are coming the dots like this. Okay, clear. So these are the indicators. So if you want to make it as a circle, so then we can change this one also. If using styles, we can change these dots also. See it here. So they are giving like this. So then we can change this one. So width they are giving 30. So then we can change into so 3 or 10. See this one. So then we can make it as a circle also. We can give the border radius. Okay. So these are called the indicators, slider indicators, carousel indicators, carousel previous and next. Okay. These are the controls. So these are the indicators. Okay. So this way we can do the carousels. So the next one, borders completed, colors, display, float completed, overflow completed, positions, positions. So we are having the two type of positions. One is position relative and second one is position absolute, right? So these two type of positions we are having. So then we can see those things. So where is this one? If we can know the classes of those things, here it is. So this thing container is closed. So then inside H2 positions, then you can see first you can try to understand this one. Try to understand. So first one BD example position utilities. This is normal. So then position relative. First we are giving position relative. So basically why we are giving the position relative. So whenever we want to move one div one place to another place, not right and left. Okay, if you want to move 10 pixel, then we can give either we can give the position relative or absolute. Position relative or absolute. Okay, so we are having some smaller minor difference for position relative and position absolute. So position relative, so where we can place the divs, from that position only it is moving. But when we give the position absolute, so those two divs are overlapping. Okay, whenever if we want to overlap two divisions, two boxes, so then we can give the position absolute. Then we can give the position absolute. Here I am writing some CSS also for position. So just for creating the boxes, I have creating the boxes for width and height. So creating the boxes, then I'm giving the style, custom styles. Now you can see it. Now you can see it. Here. So this is position absolute. So then it is giving start and translate middle. All the divs are overlapping now. All the divs are overlapping now. So then something is missing here. So we have to do the height for these things. So there is no height, so that's why it is overlapping. Now you can see. Now we can see. Okay. So here we are giving the top and these things. Where it's last. Okay. Top 0 and start 0. That means this is the first div. This is the one. Okay, so complete our division height is 200. If you won't give any height, so then these things are overlapping. Here it is position relative. So these things are overlapping. All the divs are overlapping because of this position absolute. Because of this position absolute. Now you can see. I am commenting that position absolute. So then all the divs are coming one by one. All the divs are coming one by one. Okay, clear? So then, to overlap the boxes or divisions, so we can use the position absolute. Okay, so then we can move from one position to another position. Either we can use the position relative or position absolute. Both we can use it. Here first div is the top 0 and start 0. That is the first position. Second position, what I am doing, so same position, same top position, but I am moving div to start 50%. From start position to 50% I am moving. Okay, so third div I am moving to 100%, that means complete right. Complete right. Here if you can see, start 100 means left completely 100 we are moving. Second div, second thing, so if you can see that fourth one, second I am moving the top 50 and start 0. Starting position same only, but moving that div from 0 to 50. Okay, so this way we can use the positions absolute and position relative. So these two classes we are having, position relative, so position hyphen relative. So for absolute, position hyphen absolute is the class. Okay, those are the classes. So then after that, sizing. Then after that, sizings we are having. So here we are using the start 1, start 0 means it's a 0%, start 50 means 50%, start 100 means 100%. Same way we are having the sizing, div sizings. Then we can see div class equal to bg hyphen primary. Okay, so then, so this is my div. So and padding p hyphen 5. Okay, p hyphen 5 I am giving. So if we can save this one. Okay, so this is the, it is by default it is taking complete width. Okay, so we are having the w hyphen 25, width hyphen 20. What is this one? W hyphen 25, that means 25%. So then another one is 50%, another one is 75%, then next one is the 100%. Okay, 75 and 50, so then 100%. Okay, so these are the sizings. See now, 25, 50, 75, 100. Okay. By default we are having the auto. For suppose, where is this one? I have this thing. So width hyphen auto. See this one is automatically taking 100%. So suppose if you can give the inside one row div class equal to row. Okay, I'm giving one border one. Okay, border hyphen danger. Open border hyphen danger is not coming. Which automatically it is taking based on this padding only it is taking. Okay, so if we can give the some content inside of this one, if we can give some content inside of this one, text. Don't want to that much text. content paste, then see. So automatically, if you are if our content is having, then it is automatically takes that much weight. Okay, and there it is not closing. Okay. Okay. So this way it will apply. So if we can take the width hyphen auto, W hyphen auto. Okay. So these are the sizings. So these are the sizings. So the next one is the visible, visible. So what is the difference between display none and visibility hidden? We are having the to hide the text, we are having the two options. So display none and visibility hidden. So see the difference here. See the difference here. For suppose here, same thing I am using. Here I am using the D hyphen none. So that means a display none. Okay. So that means a display none. So this means I am giving the for this one. I am giving the what is this one? So D hyphen V visibility hidden, right? So what is the class for this one? Yes, visible, visible and invisible. It gone or not? Invisible. So now you can see. So where is our text? Where is our text? This is first one is completely hiding. Okay, completely hiding. So this is the one. Second one, see invisible. So we are just hiding the content physically. It is hiding the content, but the text whatever space is allocating for that div, so it is showing. Okay, so that space is not gone. So that space is always visible. Okay, so whenever we are using the display none, so including element also it is removed. Including element also it is removed. Completely with div element it is removing when we use the display none. When we use the visibility hidden, okay, invisible means visibility hidden. Invisible means visibility hidden. Okay, so only text is hiding, but the element is that, but the element we can able to see. Okay, whatever space is occupying, so that space is always there when we use the visibility hidden. Okay, that is the difference between display none and visibility hidden. Display none completely it removes the element also. Invisible it cannot remove the element, it can remove only text. So that is only the difference between the invisible and display none, D hyphen none. Okay, so the next one, top middle bottom align baseline align top align middle align text top align text bottom. So these things we are having. So it is a vertical align. A vertical align. But we have any text. So we can apply some height for this one. So then only we can able to see. So align. For align we can apply it. class equal to caret symbol, right? Align height 200 pixels. It's coming right, is not okay. Div class equal to alignment. So for this one, I can apply the height dot alignment. Why it is not taking? You can use the clear fix. Div class equal to clear fix. So then the rate of NBSP. Then now it is taking. Oh, it is taking clear fix. Okay. See this one. So align base. So that means it is vertically aligning in the middle only. So now if we can see the align top, so we can use the line height. Line height 200 pixels. Twenty pixels. Okay. So see this one. So align baseline means it is vertically aligning middle. So the next one is the top. Next one is the top. See. So then middle. So it is, see this one. If you can observe this text, if you can observe this text, so someone is top is aligning to top. So then middle is middle. So then bottom. So some difference is there, right? Some difference is there. Okay. So somewhere line height is having this one. Somewhere it is override. We have to override it, but we can able to see the difference. Okay. Clear. So this is the one. Okay. Then any other things, any other concepts are having any positions, overflow, then float, display, colors, borders, and carousels, collapse, gradients, LX. Okay. So all this. So today, so then all the concepts we covered in Bootstrap 5. So just you can remember these class names whenever you are starting your application. Okay. So just if you can remember these classes, you can easily write the CSS. Okay. With a responsiveness. Okay. So any doubts? So from tomorrow onwards, we can start the JavaScript. Okay. Okay, then fine. Thank you. We'll connect tomorrow. Sure, I'll share all these 5 things. 8 classes I'll share. Okay. Okay, thank you.